Alright, so today's project, I got this battery pack. It's a Craftsman 19.2, the C3 series, and all but one of these cells are bad. So I've got other ones, and I'm going to see about repacking it, I guess is what it's called, and see if I can get this battery pack going. And then my dad's also got one that he needs redone too, so we get this one going, I'm going to do this one. So right now I'm just taking the battery apart. I got to charge these batteries up. They're out of a couple old scooters and stuff, and right now there's some that are at like 3.1, and some are at 2.5, or I don't know. But the ones that are down at 2 point something are below what the charger will start charging at. So I have to use the benchtop power supply that I made to get these up to the voltage, so this will take over and charge them. So that's kind of fun. But anyways, that's what I'm doing today. Alright, so I've got the cells switched over. There's the old ones. I've got these all cleaned up. I've got to finish charging them, but I put them in here. I figured that's easier than using that to hold them. And I may even just charge them once they're in here, because then they have little tabs that I can clip onto and have a secure connection. Yeah, but hopefully there's nothing wrong with this charging circuit, because this will really suck to go through all this and have that problem. Then I have to go buy my own battery control module unit, whatever they call them. But yeah, so I've got a spot welder, you know, for doing batteries coming in. So as soon as that comes in, I can get this all tacked back together. And yeah. So if you're rebuilding one of these Craftsman batteries, the 19.2s, there is screws down inside those holes. I don't know if you can see that or not. Barely in there. And they are these. Where is it at? Come on. Looks like it's a T10. Yeah, T10. This wasn't long enough to, you know, even at an angle I couldn't get it to go in there and grab anything. So I ended up just using a small flat screwdriver to unscrew it, and that seemed to work. So it's all back together now. I just gotta get these guys on. Yepper. So yeah, there we go. It'll definitely be nice to have 3 batteries to use. I keep going out and doing projects, and I don't know if it's just my cells are getting, or my batteries are getting old out there or what, but yeah, I go through them pretty quick, and then I got to sit there and wait. And if I had 3 of them, I could have that charged up, and by the time I go through the last 2, that first one should be charged, and you know, hopefully you can just keep going that way. But all right, well, that's where I'm at right now. Here we are in the garage. Got the charger, got the dog going nuts, and let's see, is it gonna work? No red light. That looks pretty good. Look, got the dog going nuts because I'm driving her crazy. Oh, see, there's Crazy. Hey Crazy, how's it going? I was reflecting the sun and she's trying to chase it and now it's gone, so she's trying to find it now. You're cute but dumb. Yes, you are.